Hi, this is Brittany Garner, Program Director for USASBE. Today I am going to provide a brief tutorial on how to submit to USASBE 2021 Be Boldly Unscripted. Once you arrive at the conference submission platform website, AwardForce, this is the screen that you will see. To begin, we're going to start in the blue box, and as you see, step 1 says register an account. To register your account, you will fill out your name, email, and create a password. You're going to check that you've read and agreed to the privacy policy, cookie policy, and terms of service, as well as click the box that says you agree to receive notification and communication emails from USASBE Conference and Awards. This is how we are going to keep you up to date on the status of your submission. Once you click that blue register button, you will be taken to a second screen where you will be able to add other user profile information to complete your user profile. You will also be sent a confirmation email to the email on record to verify your account. Once that confirmation has been received, you will have access to the submission platform. Once you are logged in, you will come to a screen like this where you are able to create your submission entry. As you can see at the top, the important information is highlighted, such as the deadline dates. For the presentation and awards type of submission, that entry deadline is October 4th, 2020. For cohorts and consortiums, that entry deadline is October 31st, 2020. You may be asking, what's the difference between those two? And let's start an entry and we'll talk through that. So to start an entry, you will scroll down and hit that blue button that says Start Entry, and you will be taken to the submission entry page. It looks like this. So as mentioned before, presentations and awards, that deadline is October 4th. And under this submission type are the awards, which include the USASBE Program Awards as well as Lifetime Achievement Awards. The programming track, which includes emerging challenges and charrettes or competitive programming. The research track, emerging or competitive papers. Teaching track, emerging exercises or competitive experiential exercises and case studies. And virtual workshops, case studies, and learning journeys. Under the cohorts and consortium submission type, that deadline is October 31st, 2020, and within this group is the doctoral consortium applications, Longenecker Fellows Mentoring Program applications, and social interest group awards. So today we're going to go through and create a submission for emerging experiential exercise. So I am going to go to presentations and awards, teaching tracks, emerging experiential exercises. Over to the right, I have details as to what is going to be asked of me within this track. All that information is located over here, and then at the bottom there is a template for submission. I can click here to access that. Please note that it is a public Google Doc, and to please download it to your computer before making any changes to it. So when I click here, I'm going to be taken to that doc, and it will tell me what is going to be sought after within the submission. So if you would like to download that and then fill it out here, and then you can just copy and paste it into the application. So as you see, I'm going to enter in the title of the submission and hit Save and Next. These fields align just right with the submission template. So once you enter items in these fields, you can hit Save and Next. The Author tab, this is where you can give credit to all of the team members who contributed to this work. To add a contributor, if you hit this button, it will pop up where you can enter the author's name, title, institution, email, and short bio. The next tab allows you to upload reference information, figures, tables, footnotes, endnotes, as well as that mandatory 2-minute video pitch of your proposal. Once that's all uploaded, the last page is a disclaimer page, just going over rules of submission, clarifying that you have the right to submit to USASBE 2021, as well as agreeing to be a reviewer for submissions for any category in which a conflict of interest would not occur. After agreeing to these terms, you can hit Submit Entry. And after you have submitted your entry, you will be taken to this congratulations page. To check on your entry after submission, or you can go to My Entries and scroll down and you will be able to see. I can see that for emerging exercises, it has been submitted, when the last update was, and you can also view a PDF of your submission. You also have the opportunity to edit anything within your submission by going to your entry and making any changes you need to do within your entry, even after it's been submitted, as long as it's before the deadline. And that is the tutorial on the conference submission platform. If you have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me, Brittany Garner, at bgarner@usasbe.org, and I'm happy to help you with anything. Thank you so much for your submissions, and we look forward to seeing you at USASBE 2021 Be Boldly Unscripted.